Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Raka. So here we are going to integrate or continuing on integrating Liquibase with Spring Boot. So we are done with like prerequisites, the tools we needed. Next step, if we talk about the steps, so we talked about we did the introduction like what we have to, we did prerequisite. Now the next question is what is Liquibase, right? So I have that next image which we can refer. So what is Liquibase? It says it's an open source database management tool. What does it do? It helps with versioning and automating database schema changes. So when I use this software in my project, it was about migration. So it's a real great handy tool, which is really great in terms of automation. So what does it do? It allows developers to track, manage, and deploy database updates in a consistent and a reliable way. Because when we talk about developers, so sometimes because as a human being we tend to do errors or human mistakes, but since it's a tool, it works really great and it is really consistent. So we will see how it provides that consistency. Okay, so Liquibase stores these changes in changelog files, which are in XML, YML, JSON, or SQL files. So yeah, it supports multiple types of or varied number of files. So it could be XML, YML files, JSON files, or SQL files. So I will try my best to keep all these files in multiple videos, so we can see how if you are just supposed to use particular files, so how you can work with that. So it in simple words or in one statement, what we can say, Liquibase streamlines the process of managing database schema changes, making it essential for teams practicing continuous integration and delivery. So it works really good with CI/CD tool as well. So if you have Jenkins and some other tools which you through which you want to automate it through some pipelines, so yeah, you can also do that. So when we say database versioning, so what does it mean? And what other things like what it provides, the feature wise? So consistency, automation, version control, collaboration, and rollback support. So from these five, I really like the last feature, the rollback support. Liquibase allows easy rollback of changes if needed, providing safety when making modification to the database schema. So guys, think about when we talk about database, so we have create commands, alter commands, insert, update, delete commands. So by mistake, or maybe we want to do some kind of changes later. If that happens earlier, so how you can roll back it? Or somehow some scripts executed before or not supposed to run on certain environments. So how you can do that? So Liquibase is great in that it provides automated rollback commands or support. So you can just execute some commands and it will roll back all those changes which has been done without doing anything manually. Just run a command and it maintains certain way. So everything can be rolled back easily. So whatever mess you have done, like it happens sometimes, so that can be easily rolled back. Otherwise, yeah, collaboration is one thing when multiple teams are there, so you have to use some git and other version control that can be also used with this Liquibase. So this is about Liquibase, and what does it do? As we said, it maintains versions as well. So it creates certain tables in database, so that we also see how it creates tables in database and what kind of working we can get from it, because it says Liquibase keep tracks of every change made to the database, so providing a clear history of changes, who made them. Yes, so it also maintains who made it. So this helps in managing multiple changes and rollbacks. So yeah, multiple things are there. So definitely we will dig up all those details in a step-by-step manner. So that's it for the Liquibase idea. But yeah, definitely if you want to continue, we have lots of guides and its own website. You can open its Liquibase this website, and you can just take out like CLI commands is also there. And if I just open the home page, then it says innovated this and reduce errors, ship with confidence, monitor output, stay compliant, and observe change management system. So multiple ways are there which you can follow and achieve this. And it has its own document, Liquibase, like how you can integrate it using Liquibase Spring Boot. So I will give you an idea like how it's happening and we can integrate in our project. So let's meet in next video and try to integrate it with Liquibase.